1. Ever wish you could magically find your lost keys, wallet, or even backpack? The Apple AirTag is the ingenious solution you've been searching for. 2. This tiny, powerful device integrates seamlessly into Apple's vast Find My network, transforming how you track your most valuable items. 3. What truly sets the AirTag apart is its incredible precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide iPhone users directly to their lost item with visual, haptic, and audio feedback. 4. Imagine your phone literally pointing an arrow to your keys under the couch. It's like having a personal treasure map for your belongings, making it the ultimate item finder. 5. Setup is unbelievably simple. Just one tap brings your new AirTag into your Apple ecosystem, ready to track within mere seconds. 6. Plus, with its IP67 water and dust resistance, you don't have to worry about a sudden spill or a dusty adventure damaging your invaluable Bluetooth tracker. 7. If you're looking for peace of mind and the best way to keep tabs on your essentials, the AirTag 4-pack offers incredible value. 8. No other item locator offers this level of pinpoint accuracy or leverages such a private, secure, and globally expansive tracking network. 9. Ready to stop the endless search for misplaced items? Grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack today. Find the exclusive Amazon link in the description below. 10. This is genuinely one of the best electronics purchases you can make in 2025 to simplify your life and eliminate lost item stress.